Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on how to swap HTML pages using AJAX. We have a simple HTML5 document setup. There is no server-side scripting going on, it is simply client-side scripting, so we don't need to get into any database stuff. To show you how it works, let's go to our page. We have simple page, pick a fruit to learn more about it, and let's refresh. Click on apples and a page will show up that tells you about apples. Click on banana, same thing, and pear, same thing. So in our body, you already saw we have pick a fruit to learn more about it, and then I have 3 hyperlinks set up. One with apple, one with banana, and one with pear. And each of these hyperlinks, it goes nowhere. That's what that hashtag is for. We have onClick function set for each hyperlink. OnClick equal return false. On mouse down, find fruit. And then the parameter we're passing to the JavaScript function, apple, banana, and pear for their respective fruits. Let's go take a look at the function, find fruit. Again, we're getting the fruit argument passed to it. We have 3 conditions set up. If this fruit is equal to apple, we're going to create an XML HTTP request, and we're taking the document.getElementById fruit result, which is right here. It's an empty div. We're going to be populating it with the fruit data. So get that ID and fill the inner HTML with whatever response we get back from getapples.html. It is not a PHP page, it is a simple HTML document. Else if fruit is equal to banana, so if they click on the banana hyperlink, then it is going to call the getBananas.html page, and it's going to fill the fruit result div with the response from that document. And same thing for pear. So let's look at getapples.html. It is that simple. It is simply text to return back to the browser. I have apples, a break tag, and then explaining apples, same thing with getBananas.html and getPears.html. We could go ahead and add different styling to this if we wanted to. For example, I could type in H3, give it a heading level 3, and close that out. Save that, go back to our browser, refresh, and there is our heading 3, apples. Something else you can do is you can add images to these documents as well. So let's say after the explanation I'm going to put in a p tag, close it off. I want to add an image of an apple. So I'm going to go over here to my pics and I'm going to insert an image tag and simply browse to it and double click apple. Close that off, save that, and click on apples again, and there is our image. You don't have to refresh because it's going to automatically grab the new content, whatever content is current. So if you add an image tag or anything to the document that you're going to be requesting from the XML HTTP request, it's automatically going to refresh it for you. So there is our picture of an apple, and that is a huge picture. Let's downsize it a little bit. Just give it a width of, let's go with 200 pixels, and height we'll just set to auto. Save that, and just click the apple link again, and there's a smaller picture of the apple. So that is a simple, really quick way of calling different web content using AJAX to populate in your home page. We did not go to any other page. We stayed on the index.php, and that is it. You can, of course, call on server-side data, so we could actually change getapples from .html to .php and then throw in some server-side scripting such as pull the information from a database, pull the image from a database, etc., etc. So you're not just limited to static. It can be dynamic as well. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.